We finally finished up the tracker project. I'm gonna show you some before and after photos of how we brung this hunk of junk back to life.
Before we can really appreciate the end result of our Geo Tracker project, we have to go back and look at how it was when we first got it. It was in rough shape. Paint was faded, oil leaks everywhere, tires were dry rotted, exhaust leaks all over the place, the top was completely gone. It was a mess. It really needed a whole lot of help. So we wasted no time getting it into the shop and getting those oil leaks repaired. That was priority number one. We found leaks at both the oil pan and the valve cover gasket. The old gaskets were dried out and no longer sealing, so we found some new gaskets, we put them in and fixed those leaks once and for all. And since this vehicle spent a lot of its life towed behind an RV, it had a ton of extra wiring that was installed for that purpose. So we had to remove all of that extra wiring, the tow bar, and all the other accessories that were installed on the vehicle. And once all of the easy work was out of the way, then it was time to take on the real challenges with this project.
So we just got our fresh new tires in, 5 big old 15-inch tires. Still waiting on our fresh exhaust kit to come. We have done a little bit of engine work over here, well, just accessory work. We had to actually take the original power steering pump and ship it out to get it rebuilt because this unit's so old you can't just go online and find one. So that took quite a bit of time. Just got that reinstalled. Did a little bit of work on the air conditioning system. Got that blowing cold and functioning well. Basic tune-up and service, oil filters, spark plugs, a few other things we're doing. And making some good progress. So after we get done on the lift, we've got a few more things to finish up, and then this unit will be going to paint. And that's where we should see some of the biggest changes that you guys will be looking forward to. And then last thing's a new roof, which we've also got our top and roof in, so that'll get installed as well. So we're a few steps away from doing what we do in our normal Honest Autos process. These things are never fast. They always take a little more time than expected. That's okay. That's kind of what we do.
So we sent the tracker off to our very own restoration specialist, and they got started right away on tearing this thing down. Taking off all the unnecessary panels and pieces, taillights, marker lights, trim, the grille. Mostly everything was pulled off the vehicle so it could be inspected and prepped for paint. And this is where the true magic of the transformation happened. Getting that fresh coat of red paint just absolutely changed the entire vehicle completely. And we were all blown away at how it looked when we got it back to the lot. Now that's a huge difference from the last time you saw this vehicle. In fact, we got the wheels off of it because we're painting the wheels and getting them restored. Let's see what kind of color we painted those. Oh man, they turned out pretty good.
50s, 60s, and 70 cars all day long. Perfect. You can fix it on the side of the road if you needed to. Today you can't do that.
Alright, I'm gonna get out of your all hair.
Oh, good, bro. It's my Friday, man.
I know it's Friday Eve.
No, my Friday. I'm taking tomorrow off.
Oh, it's your Friday. Okay, well it's Friday Eve for everyone else.
I need a day off. Told everybody I'm taking a break for a while. Then I got people calling me. Hell no.
You gotta say no. Since Mike was clocking out for the weekend, Danny went ahead and put the wheels and tires back on the tracker so we can send it over to detail. And that was where they did the final touches, getting it all cleaned up inside and out. And we're extremely proud of how this came out. So check it out.